was a friend of ours that had been here like 2 or 3 times, and it was from a local Hy-Vee, and he was coming here with his employees, and they finally came here with their third time, and one of their employees was like, I wasn't going to come here. He goes, I couldn't believe this. When I came to your distillery, he goes, I thought there was just going to be exactly the same distillery I went to every time. There was just going to be a bunch of 40-year-olds pushing buttons. He goes, I came here and you actually have a distillery and you guys actually do stuff and you guys aren't just a 40-year-old person pushing buttons. He goes, I'm so glad that I came to here. He goes, I was completely going to cancel it out. And he came here and he said he loved it. And he goes, this is completely different than any distillery that I was going to come visit. And I was like, I hate to say it, but can I share that story? And he said yes. And I was like, man, I want to share it with everybody because we're completely different than anybody else. We're true prohibition. We're 4 ingredients, water, sugar, rye, and yeast. We do it exactly how they did it, and we're proud to do it every day the way that we were taught.